Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from SAE Tribakti. First of all, let me introduce my team with me: Indah Putri, AS Speaker 1, Alvin Mauludin, AS Speaker 2, Fasya Priyanazuri, AS Speaker 3, and Triana Dewi, AS Speaker 4. And then our letter, Mr. Kata Atmaja. Today I'm going to talk about Albert Einstein. I will only take 7 minutes of your time. If you have any question, please feel free to type in comment question. There are main parts to my presentation. The first to begin with the definition of biographical passages Albert Einstein. The second, following that's Albert Einstein life journey. The last one, and last but not least, is material consolation about the radical passages Albert finished. Please welcome Alvin AS Speaker to give further description.
Outline for our discussion. There are three main parts in my presentation. The first, on to begin with the definition of biography of theoretical physicist Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is the father of modern physics. He was born in ULM, Kingdom of Waterberg, German Empire on March 14, 1879. The second, following that Albert Einstein life journey. Many universities were occupied by Albert Einstein after graduation. Einstein spent 2 years in search of a teaching job but didn't find. And the last one, but not least, is material consolation about theoretical physicist Albert Einstein. In 1929, Einstein was present with the Max Planck Medal of the German Physical Society in Berlin. The semic element Einsteinium was named for him.
He is the father of modern physics. He was born in Ulm Kingdom of Württemberg, German Empire on March 14, 1879. His father's name was Hermann Einstein. His mother's name was Pauline Koch. His father was a scientific utility salesman, electrician, and mother was a housekeeper. Albert attended a Catholic elementary school in Munich from the age of 5 for 3 years. At the age of 8, he was transferred to the Ludwig Gymnasium, where he received an advanced primary and secondary school education. The 12-year-old Einstein taught himself algebra and Euclidean geometry. After graduation, Einstein spent 2 years in search and taking job, but didn't find. Finally, he got a job of assistant examiner at the Federal Office for Intellectual Property at the Patent Office. Einstein and Mileva married in January 1903. They had 3 children. In 1905, he completed his thesis, which was entitled A New Determination of Molecular Dimension. For the work, he was awarded a PhD at the University of Zurich. He focused on photoelectric effect, the special theory of relativity, on the equivalence of matter and energy. In 1905 too, he published 4 groundbreaking papers. The papers brought Einstein to the limelight, and he became instantly famous and was recognized as the leading scientist. In 1908, he was appointed as a lecturer at the University of Bern. In 1911, he became a full-time professor at the Karl Ferdinand University in Prague. Einstein separated from his wife, Ismaila, in 1914. Their divorce final on February 1919. He married Elsa Lontel in June 1919. Invited official by the mayor of New York on April 2, 1921, and delivered a lecture at the Columbia and Princeton University. Not only was Einstein war target, he himself was on list of assassination targets of the Nazi. With a $500 bounty his head, Einstein gained a permanent citizen in U.S. in the year 1940, and then in his later years was even offered the position of President of Israel, but he declined. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics. In 1929, Einstein was presented with the Max Planck Medal of the German Physical Society in Berlin. The chemical element Einsteinium was named for him.
The conclusion: Albert Einstein was a physicist from Germany who was born on 14 March 1979. He had 3 children from first wife Mileva Marek. Then he remarried Elsa Lowenthal on 2 June 1919. Albert attended Catholic elementary school in Munich and then transferred to Luitpold Gymnasium. After graduation, Albert worked as assistant at the Federal Intellectual Property Office at the Patent Office. The following are some Albert Einstein achievements. In the years 1905, Albert completed this thesis, which was entitled A New Determination of Molecular Dimension, and then get awards PhD by the University of Zurich. In the years 1905, published 4 groundbreaking papers. On 2 April, invited officially by Mayor of New York and Albert, lectured at Columbia and Princeton University. In the years 1929, he received the Nobel Prize in HY Essays. In the years 1929, Albert was present with the Max Planck Medal of the German Physical Society in Berlin. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given new insight on physicist Albert Einstein.